Come back, grounding. Feel your body. Open your eyes.
Someone was here.
Someone is here. Who's that? Jesus Christ. Malinaw? Shadow. Anong sabi niya? Anong itsura niya?
And then there were times when nakaupo kami sa bench.
Nakaupo kayo sa bench. Okay.
Since ako lang din po, may times tatabi siya.
Jesus Christ.
I know it's him.
Yeah. What's his message for you?
Strong.
Be strong. Be strong? Strong.
Strong po.
So, inupuan ka niya ngayon sa session na to.
And I know he's here, Mom, kasi yung liwanag.
Okay.
Yung liwanag.
Sige, ikwento mo lang. From the start of your healing session a while ago, go.
I feel like I'm spinning, Mom, eh. Pero hindi siya yung nakakahilo, but relaxing.
Okay.
And then, trying to concentrate din po until napunta ako dun sa picture na sa garden ako na mayroong bench.
Garden na may bench. Okay.
Then, full of flowers, white flowers with little yung mga butterflies. Umuupo sa gilid ko. I know it's him. You're brave, you're kind. And somewhere na wala akong worries at all.
Peaceful. Nasaan yun?
Peaceful.
It's like,
Garden siya, Ma'am. Like a big, big garden with little flowers.
so it's like heaven vibe.
Yes, Ma'am.
Heaven vibe.
May mga maliliit na paru-paro.
Wow, ganda paradise. It's like,
Yes.
how do you describe it eh? Ikaw kasi nakakita ha?
Maliwanag na.
Okay. Ang ganda ng journey mo. Okay.
Pero kahit nakaupo lang ako dun, Ma'am, may door dito sa may left side ko.
Okay. What's that door?
Dark siya, naka-open, pero hindi ako natatakot at all. Like, usually, yun yung worry ko palagi na pag ba in-open ko yung third eye ko, may makikita ako at matatakot ako. Pero yung door na yun, na I know may something na lalabas, nayaan ko lang. Dito lang siya. And to the point na wala na.
So sa tingin mo, yung door na yun nakakatakot, but hindi ka takot? It's like, past
Andyan
door?
lang siya.
Past door? It's like ganun ba siya? Parang mga problems in life, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
black talaga siya.
So parang ang
Na
tinuturo,
naka-open pa.
so anong tinuro sa'yo ni Jesus Christ today? Ano yung lesson mo yun sa spiritual
Stay
journey?
on the bench.
Stay on the bench, just relax. Watch the butterflies.
Hindi ako tumayo, Ma'am. Hindi ako naglakad at all. Stay on the bench.
Kasama mo lang siya.
And look around.
Home.
Stay lang po.
How do you feel?
Thank you so much, Ma'am. Parang naiiyak din po ako kasi nung first half, I'm really trying to concentrate. Punta ba ako somewhere like sea or sa dagat, sa bundok, hanggang nag-pop up yung garden. And then upo ka.
Tinawag ka niya. Tinawag ka niya.
And then, pinipigil like I wanted to cry pero happy lang.
Ah, yes. Ganda. Oh my gosh! Ganda. No, may tinuturo siya sa lesson kahit hindi siya nagsasalita ng marami.
Yes, Ma'am.
Right? So, what is